Hi friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 64T, an eyedropper fountain pen. And this pen has a golden trim set where the clip is golden plated one, and here there is a golden ring on the cap. And the T means transparent body. And this pen head on the cap with the thread mechanism. To open, you need to unscrew the cap, and there is a breather hole here in the cap, so this will prevents the ink from clogging, and it maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or bump ink through the nibs. And this is number 4 nib, a gold plated nib which has a medium tip, and you can swap with any other number 4 nibs, as we have many brands. And usually pen enthusiasts will swap with canary nibs, where you can have a fine, medium, broad, again with gold, dual tone and silver plated nibs, and the choice is yours here. For that, you can go to our site and click pen pairs, then go to nibs, then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And since the O-ring area diameter is a smaller one, this pen is more suitable for little fingers, which means that for children's. And please note, since this is a transparent body, please don't use primary colors ink, so that the ink will create a strain on the wall of the pen. So this is the important maintenance. And also the reservoir capacity is more. You can fill more than 3 ml of inks here. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pen regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, and then it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing. And slowly the ink will dry quickly, then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow like this. This you might have experienced, and the reason is blockage in the feeder groove. So to clean the deposited ink and dirts, please remove the feeder unit and nib separately by holding the nibs and feeders together and twist and pull. Again, yeah, hold, twist and pull, and the feeder unit will come easily from the grip area. And this is simple 2 minutes process, and then you can flush with the help of any toothbrush or any brushes which you have, and clean it with running tap water or soap water. And or you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for 1 hour and brush and clean. And this is a simple process, and you can again easily fix this. Yeah, done. In the ink bottles itself, you can notify on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with the water. So here I am taking the Brill bottle to show that, and here it is. Clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. Its unique formulation prevents clogging and aids quick drying on paper. Yes. So it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And again, on maintenance, the thread are tend to worn out. So to increase the life of the thread, please apply silicone grease or a Vaseline over here. That is whenever you are opening and closing the grip area during the ink fill. And also fill the inks in the inner thread of the barrel. If you fill the excess, the leakage path will be created and you will spoil your hands. And the another thing, also few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because during manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines like upside and down like this. For that you can use your nails, or else you can use any small knives for that, and this will allows for a good flow of ink, and in turn you will get a smooth writing. And please ensure both the tines are in parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pen for our customers, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch, and this is our usual practice. And uh, let me write a sample. For that, let me take this our Pennos Emerald Green ink. Yeah, and right now for that I'm dipping here and drying the excess. Yeah, the writing is smooth like butter. Yeah, and if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can contact us in WhatsApp, or else you can call us. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.